First tonight, West Michigan Air Care's plans to stop its helicopter service this year continue to spark concerns among first responders, even former employees. One of them spoke with News 8's David Horak, who is live in studio tonight with more. David?
Well, Brian, Wes Brubaker was a flight nurse over at West Michigan Air Care for 5 years before eventually leaving to start his own business. He told us that the news of his former employer shutting down caught him off guard and really upset him.
They have a really robust integration with Ferguson Bronson. They do a really good job of working with trauma services, cardiac care, the pediatric ICU, group teams, WMed. We're integrated with the medical residents there. And I always thought they were a key part of that health system in Kalamazoo. And so to see them drop was shocking.
Wes Brubaker says the impending move will create a gap in response times and have local EMS services and other air medical transport companies stretched even thinner.
Ground EMS will step up as much as they can, but again, critically short staff. Other helicopter companies have to serve their hospitals and their communities as well. So, a request that's 100 miles away is not going to get as quick or the same response.
Just knowing that that service is no longer in the area, we will now have to plan ahead and request the other agencies a little bit sooner.
The effects will be felt in populated areas like Otsego. Firefighters there tell us a 15-minute wait time for medical transport from West Michigan Air Care will now be another 5 to 8 minutes with other providers.
Time, is going to be of the essence. We want to make sure that we're getting the patients, the level of care that they need. And so having the extra extended, wait time could be, felt.
But it's more dire for more rural areas like Cass County, where Brubaker lives, and the nearest critical access facility is an hour drive away.
If me, myself or my family member needs emergency care, I can rush them to Dowagiac, but that's still an hour from Kalamazoo. And so having that link it was a big comfort, and not having it, I think, is a significant loss to the community.
West Michigan Air Care said they understand the large void this will leave in the region that's already limited on EMS resources. They added that their aviation leadership team is working with various area stakeholders to find a viable solution to continue to serve. Bronson and Ascension Borges, who will be directly affected by this, told us that they will be maintaining the helipads at their hospitals and will continue to transfer and receive patients through other helicopter services that serve the region to ensure that patient care is not disrupted. Last day of West Michigan Air Care's helicopter service is April 20th. Brian.